Patient Microservice end-to-end application flow. In this session, I explain the application flow and how to save the patient data in the MySQL database, save, get all, delete, post those operations in the MySQL database, and also I test the REST APIs with the post mapping. In this session, I take the postman as a user interface. First, explain the patient microservice end-to-end application flow. When user is requested, user save the data in the database. Controller as a entry point for the application. Receive the patient data in the controller layer to validate the patient details. Then after, forward the request to the page service layer. In the service layer, how the business logic, how to implement the save, update, delete, get everything in the service layer. The save method validated, forward the request to the repository layer. This repository layer directly interact with the MySQL database to save the data in the database. Then response back to the controller is successfully save the data in the database. The controller layer to forward the request to the end user. User can understand, successfully register or patient data. This is the patient microservice end-to-end application flow. Now I check the ID of methods: post API, get API, put API, delete API with the REST post mapping. When user is send the patient data in this format, when user is send the request, that request came to the controller layer. This is the entry point. The controller layer converted to the create method. The create method receive the request body in the JSON data, patient details. The controller calls the patient service create method, go to the service layer. In the service layer, declare the methods, the create method to forward it to implement the patient service implementation. In the service implementation, patient DTO. In the patient DTO, using the patient mapper constructor, mapper by using converted patient DTO to the entity and entity to converted to the DTO by using the mapper. Then call that everything is fine, and call the repository layer. This is save is the predefined method, comes from the JPA repository to save the data in the MySQL database. To check when we send the request user to check, run the SQL query. Yes, Charan Kumar is successfully registered in the record. MySQL database successfully saved. This is the save method. This is the post REST endpoint. Next, want to get the particular patient details. When user is requested, want to user one details, send the request. That request came to the controller layer. The layer is sent to the get by ID. The path variable use extract the URI, find the patient ID. The controller calls the patient service. The patient service get by patient ID. The service implementation ID is founded. Then after, call the repository. In the repository, provide the find by ID. Go to the repository. This repository interaction with the MySQL database. We get the patient record. This is the patient one record. Getting check in the database patient one record. Tejakumar, getting Ravi Kumar, email ID is the Tejakumar. This is the get mapping, and also have get all method. Send the request, get all request. That request came to the controller, get all, the controller sent to the get controller. The controller calls the service patient service class. In the patient service class, declare the get all patients implementation. In the service implementation, get all patients repository call the repository, provide the find all method JPA repository, implement the Java features stream, map the list of patients by using the mapper to convert list of entity patients to patient to DTO. Then after collect the list of records. This list of records send it to the end user. End user see in the user interface. See, currently have the two records in the patient table to display the patient two records. This is the get all method. Then after patient want to update the particular patient record. For example, I take Saram Kumar record is the third record. Third record ID. I take ID 2. Want to update the particular ID third record. I want to update the phone number 8886. When send the request, when patient user is sent the put request, I want to update the mobile number 8886. Send the request. That request came to the controller. The controller sent to update patient. The patient receive the ID. Now variable. Sorry, this is not variable. This is the service implementation class. This is a controller. Controller receive the update request. The path variable. Extract the URL from get the patient ID, particular ID, and receive the request body. User is send update the mobile number, receive the request body. The body have the updated patient details. JSON format converted to the DTO. The controller class call the patient service. Go to the patient service. This is the declared method. This the updated is the implementation update method. User is find the ID. Call the service to the repository layer. The repository providing the find by ID. This is the predefined method. We get the record from the MySQL database. Receive the existing user ID. For example, user is not there. Provide the particular user understandable message. Patient is not found. Send it to the user. User can understand. In this case, user is already there. Patient record is there existing. Get the existing MySQL database details in the existing reference. Then set the first name and set the first name DTO to get first name. In this way, all fields are updated. Then after map to the DTO to convert entity formatter. Call the repository save method to save the entity format in the database. It can be the updated patient mobile number. See the details updated 60, last the 2 digits 66. This is the old record. Check the updated one. Successfully updated 66. In the user interface also check 66. User can easily understand. Then after this is the update method. User can requested to delete the particular some third record. If you want to delete it, send the request. Same as that request came to the controller. Have the delete REST API in the path variable to extract the URI from ID. The controller calls the service method. Go to the service, delete patient declaration. This is the implementation of delete patient. If patient is, for example, not there, so the particular user understandable message patient is not found. If a patient is there, then repository call the delete by ID. Delete by ID is the predefined method. Provide the JPA repository. This is directly interact with the MySQL database to delete the record. See, 404 is no content, is successfully deleted. This is the before deleting this record to check this is successfully deleted or not. See, successfully deleted. This is the by using MySQL database. Check the REST endpoint, testing the REST endpoint with the Postman. This is the application flow of the Patient Microservice end-to-end application flow. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. Please subscribe my channel, like and share. If any doubts, comment in the comment box. I will respond and clarify your doubts. Otherwise, also make it as a video for your doubt session. Provide the video in my YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you for your time.